Hi everyone. Today we are going to be looking at how to express likes and dislikes. Let me give you an example. This morning I went to the grocery store and I did all my grocery shopping for this week. I feel very happy because I hate shopping, but I already finished it. I love eating, but I hate shopping. I hate shopping and I love eating are examples of expressions of preferences. Okay, as we have today, our grammar focus, verbs plus gerunds. A gerund is the base form of a verb plus ing. And a gerund often follows verbs that talk about preferences. What's interesting is that we use gerunds like a noun. A noun, if you remember, is a person, place, thing, or idea. So even though the form is the base form of a verb plus ing, how it functions in a sentence is like a person, place, thing, or idea. It's a noun. Let's look at some examples. Here are some statements with gerunds. In the sentences, the gerunds are dancing and cooking. They kind of look like verbs, don't they? But they aren't. Let's look at these examples. In sentence number 1, shopping is a noun. In sentence number 2, shopping is a verb. Notice the difference. Although they look exactly the same, they function very differently. Also, notice that both are happening now. The time phrases these days tells us that. But shopping in the first sentence is a noun. I could say, these days she hates hamburgers. Hamburgers is a noun, it's a thing. Now, when we make questions with gerunds, let's look at some yes or no questions. If you want to ask somebody, hey, do you like dancing? You would answer, yes, I do. No, I don't. Look at the question, does he like cooking? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Notice that to form questions, we have to always begin with the helping verb do or does. Then we follow with the subject, and then we follow with our gerund. In the above sentences, the gerunds are cooking and dancing. Okay, just one last point I'd like to make. This is a good tip. Gerunds often follow verbs like avoid, enjoy, like, mind, dislike, hate, and prefer. Notice that these verbs are not really action verbs. They're called stative verbs because they're non-action. They just express a mental, emotional state of being. We will practice with these verbs in the lesson. Goodbye.